On today's episode, we're going to be talking about YouTubers and social media influencers. And we have Becca, Nadia, and Ariel, and they're going to share their story with us on how they got to where they're at and how they had their beginnings and like the really fun story of how they started. So let's start here with Becca and work our way through to Ariel.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Beach, and my channel is called Pins and Things, and it's where I make costumes and crafts and recipes. And I originally started it because I was very poor. I was married with 4 kids, still am married, by the way, just to make that clear. We got 4 kids, and I did not have enough money to make crafts or do the things that I wanted to, like make the things that I wanted to make and create. And so I came up with a brilliant idea to make a YouTube channel to teach other people how to make these things that I wanted to make anyway, so that we could kind of make some money back from those crafts and things. And I think that it started to grow, and it definitely has paid itself off. So that's good.
Perfect. Like, how big is your channel right now?
Okay, so I have about 315,000 subscribers. That's right. Yeah, 315,000 subscribers. And they're awesome. They're awesome. And well, should I talk about my other channel too?
Yeah.
I have another channel. Surprise! Okay, so I have another channel, and it's called The Beach House. And as we were growing Pins and Things, we discovered that a lot of other YouTubers were also doing daily vlogs to kind of showcase what they do in their regular everyday life. And so, because I already had the one channel and it was doing really well, I think we were around like 20,000 subscribers, I was like, you know what? I think I want to start a daily vlogging channel and just show my life with my 4 kids and our craziness, because we're crazy. And kind of use Pins and Things to say, hey, I've got a family, check us out over here. So we had a really good boost from that, and we've just been growing ever since. That one has 150,000 subscribers, so they're both doing really, really well, and I couldn't be happier.
So now we have Nadia. Do you want to explain your story and your background and tell us more about your channel?
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Nadia Christine, and I'm a singer-songwriter for causes. So I have a song for addiction recovery, for families of fallen soldiers, for refugees, women in beauty, etc. So what I do is I just get together with different organizations in the area, and I market their causes through music videos. I guess, how did I get started? Why YouTube? I would say, my family describes me as a radio that never shuts up. While I was growing up, they're like, oh my goodness, Nadia, stop singing. And I just was always singing. And I always have wanted to become a singer. And I wanted to find a way where I could sing, but still, I guess, like own my own brand and hold values that I felt like were really important to me. And I feel like, there's a lot of different ways to do it, and I felt like YouTube was a way to allow me just to be exactly who I want to be and to own my own brand. And so that's kind of where I just decided, hey, I should really just look into the YouTube route versus so many other routes that you can take in the music industry. And that's really where things got started.
Awesome. And what's the name of your channel?
The name of my channel is Nadia Christine. I've just got it started just recently. So
awesome. Well, perfect. Well, thank you so much for being here. And Ariel, like, what's your background and story and the name of your channel?
So my name is Arielle Hamilton, and my channel's name is Arielle Hamilton. I originally was a fashion blogger. I still am a fashion blogger, but I feel like I consider myself more a YouTuber now. But I started my fashion blog, in like 2013, and I've been doing it for a couple years, and then I felt kind of stuck and kind of like a creative block where I felt like I felt very one-dimensional, like on a page where you just see pictures of me and like you just read what I'm writing, and I wanted to find a way to express myself with my audience and a way that they could get to know me on a more personal level. So I decided to start a YouTube channel, and I have a little background in film. I majored in it in college, so I had a little background, and from there I just kind of took off with all the videos that I make, and yeah, I've been doing it ever since.
Awesome. What was like the last video you made or last couple?
Recently, it's hard because like I haven't really found my niche yet. I feel like my niche is like everything, but recently I've been doing a lot of product reviews of things that like I've really been like intrigued with lately and doing that. But mainly I do videos of my dog everyone loves my dog, and
It's
they
the
keep.
cutest dog
Oh
ever.
my
What is this dog? We'll put a picture of the dog below.
Yeah,
His
you
name
gotta
is
check it out.
Samson, and like he's in the 2 most viewed videos on my channel, and so I think like he's the money maker. Like I keep saying like, oh, maybe I should just like dedicate my channel to Samson. It shouldn't be Arielle Hamilton anymore. It should be like Samson featuring
Ariel
Ariel.
and
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, perfect. Well, thank you for joining us this week, and tune in tomorrow, and we'll talk about how to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. And we'll see you then.